left of last night behind, and I need to get some peace of mind. And when I need some peace of mind, I know where to find it.
Are you still happy? Yeah.
So I walk and I keep on walking, though the shoes I wear are a mess. As I walk, 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 and I keep on walking till I'm at the end of the road. Till my feet are hurting, and I need to keep on going further, 'cause I can't keep my mind off things I'd be better off to leave behind. Gotta be careful not to get stuck. And so I walk and I keep on walking, I wear are a mess. As I walk, 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 and I keep on walking till I'm at the end of the road.
This gentleman that's walking back over
He's
there.
not a gentleman, you can call him anything else. Good.
That's mine, sir.
We say, hey, you ugly.
Sir.
Say Pat. Patsy's name.
And they're catching you.
Yeah, I've been thinking for years that I'll tell myself I'll stop the things that keep me from you, dear, but I keep on losing it. Oh, I keep on losing it. And I keep hoping that I'll change. Yes, I believe I'll be a saint. And I keep myself from feeling with the pictures that I paint, but I keep on losing it till I've lost the only thoughts that keep me sane. I've been wasting all my days. Yes, I've been wasting them for years. And I do my best to block the thoughts and hope they disappear, but I keep on losing it. Oh, I keep on losing it. I think that I need to rearrange things. I'll be a man of God and faith. And I wash away my sins, I have my soul cast in a lake and burn my days away. Oh God, I've lost the only thought that keeps me sane.
Chance that you've been waiting for. It's the light coming through the cracks. When life shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, come on. When life shows an open road, you know you should ride. Forget what you've been told and ride this open road. This open road. This open road. Boom, boom, that knock on your door. It's sounding further away.
Picture of Custer's, one of his trips to Black Hills, 4 columns in 1874 near the South Dakota border, but that was right out in there. You can see the Hiddenwood Creek there, and here's the amount of stuff they had. I think they said it had 300, let's see, 2,000 men, 1,000 cavalry horses, 900 mules, 300 beef cattle, and 150 wagons. Jesus. Can you imagine how much that would have taken to drag that from Bismarck, North Dakota? Yeah. That was at Fort Abraham Lincoln is where they left from. That was one of the earliest deals that we had in the Dakotas was Fort Lincoln at Bismarck there. You know, there was no dam there, so there was a, crossing there. So it was all out in this bottom here. Right, that would have been right over in there. That's where that picture is taken from, is top of that ridge right up in there, looking down.
good opportunities in, I mean, you know, the riding and driving and in parks and lots of things to do, lakes, fishing, hunting, camping, boat, float.
Is there much good duck hunting around here? They duck hunt much?
I don't know about that.
Well, I was gonna say, I've seen some potholes coming out there.
Is it like Canadian honks?
I haven't seen many of them.
There's a lot of them around.
But I've seen several different. Is this kind of the beginning of what we're gonna be seeing down the road? Because when he was coming through, he says, I thought Montana was supposed to have mountains of trees.
Yeah, so this ain't what I pictured in my mind at all.
Not yet.
Yeah.
No.
Getting there though.
You'll be there.
It's a lot greener than normal down.
Oh, yeah. We get green in the spring, but it's usually pretty short.
It's pretty coming close.
Is the other changing up here like it is everywhere else? I
I
mean,
think so.
a little more drastic when you have a storm.
Yeah. We can't have a half-inch rain, we gotta have 2 inches.
Yeah, lightning and storms.
And we gotta have lightning and storms.
Yeah.
When we have snow, we can't have 6 inches, we gotta have 20. It can't be 70, it's gotta be 105.
Yeah, when it does something, it's drastic.
It does, that is. Very true.
On a slow-moving greyhound going across the nation. Oh, I'm right. But soon I'll be pulling up to my baby station. I'm going across the nation. And I'm coming home to you. I'm on a slow-moving greyhound. Oh, you know, but soon I'll be pulling up to my baby station.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring. Let's go back a ways to the old bygone days and the simple time we lived back when. the pull of the plow bring the sweat from my brow, and the glow of the fire pull me home. Let me wind down my days in the sweet dusty haze. Take me back down the old dirt road. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me back down the old dirt road.
Memory lane, you and me long time ago, and we were teens with tremendous dreams, always playing king and queen. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. Looking back, about 20 years or so, when I close my eyes I see how we all were tripping with beliefs, ooh, and our hearts were young and free. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. Cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, then we cross America. Swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water to this crazy melody, oh, and then we cross America.
I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the farm. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride, Percy Beast is the spot to take the blues away. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, out here, ladies in the rear, her feet in the water, her top disappears, drinking Malibu Patron or a beer in a cup. Girl, I can hook you up. We all get to dance and I get to chancing, kissing that country girl, romancing, a whole lot of love, bumping out of the bar. Yeah, we're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. Here's the feeling, alright, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk, meet the big blue sky. We live it up, we got it down. Here's the feeling, alright, it's a hell of a time. And I'm falling for a small town girl, so kiss me, darling, rock my world, rock my world, rock my world. Yeah, now it's a hell. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. Hell of a time. It's a hell of a time. Oh, hell of a time.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea, that's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed, that's where you find me. Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that I'll rent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven sent.
around. If I get my feet on the ground, I'd make Bonnie my wife, and we'd rob this whole town. Maybe take all that money, get a boat and sail down, down where the blue, blue waters flow. Yes, this is a place I would go. We might get ourselves lost, we may never be found, if ever that day comes around. Boy, we were put here to roam, and we never did need a home. So let's shoot up this town, and let's run through the night, and take down that boat, and lead a runaway life, where the blue waters flow. Oh, this is the place we will go, and we'll be thick as thieves, run off, you and me. 'Cause boy, we were put here to roam. We might get ourselves lost, we may never be found, if ever that day comes around. I heard a ringing bell this morning, and it woke me from a dream. And in that dream I heard a warning, saying leave the rest, take only what you